How to add music audio in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music audio in Canva. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar type in canva.com. Now press on the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. You ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, you can open the existing design or also click on the create a design button at the top left and select a template. Here I am going to open my recent designs. Simply click on this recent designs in order to go to the editing space. Now once you reach to this page, in order to add the audio, you will need to first click on the canvas. And then in this page at the left side, you'll be able to see different icons. From here, click on the upload button and then you will be presented with this pop-up. Here now you will need to select the audio option and then select the audio from here. Or you may also click on upload files at the top left and then select the audio from your device. Here I'm going to select the audio from here. Simply click on it in order to add it to your timeline. Now once you have added it, you can adjust its position to sync with your design or the video. At the top, you'll be able to see the toolbar. From here, you'll be able to enhance and bit sync here. Also use the handles on the timeline to trim the audio. You can adjust the volume by clicking on this volume option at the top and then adjust it based on your preference. Use the slider to increase or decrease the volume. You may also click on this fade option and then add the effects like fade in or fade out if needed. And once you are done editing it, you can preview your project by clicking on this play button right here and ensure the audio fits well with your design. After that, you can save or export your project by clicking on the share icon at the top right and then select download option from the pop-up. Click on download in order to save it. This process works for video, presentation and animations in Canva. So by following these steps, you should be able to add music audio in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.